Hi, I'm Thomas from the inFlow team, and this is the inFlow portable printer. It's perfect for inFlow. It's got all-day battery life with 5,000 labels on a charge, and it's small enough to take anywhere in the warehouse. So let's have a look at what you'd get in the box. So in the box, you get our quick start guide to kind of help you get set up and kind of see the specs of your printer, and you would get the printer itself. Now, you'll note we're going to have a label roll inside. These are not proprietary labels, so you can actually use any label that's within 3 inches. And what you can do here is unwrap the label first. And you're going to see a disassembled spool. I'll show you what that looks like. So this spool is what holds your label roll in place so that you can print. The way you assemble it is to take this rod and then make sure the arrow on the rod is pointing away from the first stabilizer plate. And then you simply just click it in until it ratchets maybe 2 times. And that's going to hold in place. And then what you're going to do is take your label roll and load it so that new labels come out from the bottom. So the way that would work is I make sure the tab is facing this way, and this would be the front of the printer. So labels would come out from the bottom, and I will hold it and keep the second stabilizer plate to kind of cap the whole spool off. Then you can take the printer like so. Both tabs should face the front of the printer, and then new label rolls should come out from the bottom. And you can simply place the roll and spool into the printer and then close it out. You should hear a satisfying click when that's done. The other items that you get in the box are a small USB A to C cable and then a small AC prong so that you can charge the printer up. And that is the inFlow portable printer. You can head to inflowshop.com to pick up yours today.